You're home alone tonight. Make sure I lock the doors and don't open the door to strangers.
Yes, Mommy.
I will be back in the morning.
Bye, Mommy. Time to enjoy some TV. What was that? It sounded like a baby. Well, I can't hear it anymore. Maybe it came from outside. I'm definitely not imagining now. Is there a baby upstairs? It stopped again. Maybe I'm just tired. It's coming from my room. I have to call the police.
Miss, we checked the whole house. Are you sure you're not lying?
I am telling you, the noise is driving me crazy.
I can tell. Have a good night, miss.
Honey, I'm home.
I had the worst night ever.
What happened?
I heard a baby crying in my room all night.
Oh my goodness.
Mom, what are you not telling me?
Before you, I had a daughter called Lucy, but she had heart failure and passed away. Her crib used to be in your room. Her soul must be communicating with you.
Like and subscribe if you knew I wasn't going crazy.